Morning students. In our previous video we have started our new chapter for the annual term examination, that was chapter number 10, and in the live classes we have completed chapter 10, but one video was pending, and in one video up to question number 8 it has been given to you the video. In question number today onwards we are going to start from question number 9 onwards, and some of the student has sent me one or two questions which they were unable to solve in their practice. So those question also I will be discussing here. First we are going to start from question number 9. First let us understand what is question number 9. Question number 9 is saying in 4 years, it means time is given, t is equal to 4 years. In 4 years, rupees 6,000 amount to rupees 8,000. It means 6,000 become 8,000. It means principal is given rupees 6,000 and it becomes rupees 8,000. That means amount is also given rupees 8,000. This is the amount, and question is saying in what time, कितने समय में. तो here in this case there might be some rate, कुछ rate of interest रहा होगा. तो in this case rate is not given, and one more criteria is given here, in what time. One more added question is there. Question is asking in what time rupees 525. It means second part is asking in what time. It means time is not given. Rupees 525 principal is given rupees 525, amount to rupees 700. It means amount is also given rupees 700. Here rate is also not given, and question says at the same rate. It means whatever rate has been used for the first part, the same rate will be used for the second part. So what we have to do, we have to first calculate the rate of interest from the first part. So SI is equal to P into R into T by 100, and SI is not given. So there is one formula for calculating SI. If amount and principal is given, that is amount minus principal. In place of SI we will write amount minus principal is equal to principal is given 6,000 into rate we have to calculate, and time it is given 4 years by 100. In place of amount 8,000, in place of principal 6,000 is equal to 0 cancel, 6 4 24, it is 240 R. This will be 8,000 minus 6,000, 2,000 divided by 240 is equal to R. 0 cancel, 2 12 200, 2 6 250, 2 3 225. It means rate of interest we have got 25 by 3%. No need to convert it into decimal. Now according to this rate, the second part of question is asking according to this rate. Now let me make it two part. According to this rate we have to calculate. Now rate we have calculated, that is 25 by 3%. The rate of the first part will be equal to the second part. Now in this criteria we have to calculate time. Again here SI we will use the same formula, P into R into T by 100. In place of SI we will write amount minus principal, because we don't know the simple interest directly, we know amount and principal. Now P, that is 525, R, that is 25 by 3 into T by 100. Amount is 700 minus 525 is equal to 25 4 ja 100, 3 3 1 ja 3 rest 2, 3 7 ja 21, 3 5 ja 15. It is 175 T by 4. Here if we will subtract it we will get 175. This 4 will come this side, it will be in multiplication. This 175 is in multiplication. When it will come this side it will be in division, is equal to 2, and 575 cancel. Therefore time is equal to 4 years. This will be your answer. Hope that this question is also clear to you all. And next we will be moving to solve question number 12. Next question number 12 is saying a sum of rupees 1780, a sum of rupees 1780, it means principal is given rupees 1780 is the principal, becomes 22,136. It means rupees 780 becomes 2,136. It means amount is also given 2,136. by this amount and principal we can calculate interest. In time, 4 year, time is also given 4 years. Question is asking find the rate of interest. R is equal to what? So it is similar question like question number 9. We will write SI is equal to P into R into T by 100. In place of SI we can write amount minus principal is equal to principal 1780 into rate we don't know into time it is given 4 by 100. Here in place of amount we will write 2136 minus principal 1780 is equal to this 0, it will be 178 into 4 by 10 into R. This we will not reduce it, because when it will go this side it will be in fraction and it can be reduced later on. Now we will subtract here. 6 minus 0 6, 13, carry 1 13, 13 minus 8 5, here it is 20, 20 minus 17 356. This 10 it will come this side, multiplication. These two when it will come this side it will be division into 4 is equal to rate 178 2 times 2 2 ja 4 2 5 ja 10. It means rate we have got 5%. This will be our first answer. And the second part is saying the sum. This was the first part, and the second part is saying the sum that will become rupees 810. For the second part it is asking the sum. It means it is asking about principal and it will become 810. That means amount is given rupees 810 in 7 years at same rate of interest. Time is given 7 year at same rate of interest. It means rate will be as usual in the first part, that was 5% we have calculated. The same rate will be here. Now we know that amount, we will write simple interest is equal to P into R into T by 100. Now here in place of SI we can write amount minus principal. Here principal, because we don't know the value of principal, into rate 5 into time 7 by 100. In place of amount we can write 810 minus principal, we don't know the value, 5 2 ja 10, it will be 7p by 20. Now this p it will go this side. 810 is equal to 7p by 20 plus p by 1. Here onwards we will take the LCM. 810 is equal to LCM will be 20. 7p plus 120 ja 20 into p, 20p. This 20 when it will come this side it will be in multiplication form, is equal to 27p. Now we will leave it like this only. Now this 27 will go this side, it will become 810 into 20 by 27 is equal to p. 27 3 ja 81, 0 23 ja 60. It means the principal will be 600. Hope that this question is also clear to you all. Now we will move next. In question number 14 we have discussed in live classes. Question number 15 we will be solving. Question number 15, like 12, one student has asked me question number 13 also. So as I have solved question number 12, just like the same you have to solve question number 13 also, in which we have to find principal like this. Now question number 15 we are going to solve. Question number 15. First we will try to understand the question, that what question is trying to say. Question is saying a sum of money. A sum of money, it means principal is not given. A sum of money is lent for 5 years. It means time is given. T is equal to 5 years at R% simple interest. Rate is also not given. It is given the value as variable only, R% simple interest per annum. If the interest earned, whatever the principal is, and on that principal the interest is 1/4 of the money lent, it means as much money was lent and the interest will be 1/4 of that money. It means whatever principal we are giving, whatever principal is there, the interest will be 1/4 of that principal. It means we have to assume a principal. Let principal be 100. For this type of question we can assume 100, and otherwise you can assume x also. Interest is equal to 1/4. It means 1/4 into 100. That means interest will be 25. It means we have got the value of interest also, we have got the value of principal, we have got the value of time. Now we have to calculate the rate. Question is saying find the value of R. We will use the formula SI is equal to P into R into T by 100. The value of SI is 25. The value of principal we have taken 100. Rate we have to find. Time is given 5 years divided by 100. 100 cancel. This 5 is in multiplication. When it will come this side, it will be in division, is equal to R. 5 5 is 25. Therefore, rate of interest is equal to 5%. This will be our answer. Hope that this question is also clear to you all. Now one more question, that is the last question is left. We will be solving the last question also, that is question number 16. This question we have solved in live class also. So once again you concentrate here so that you can understand this question. Question is saying the simple interest earned on a certain sum. It means that principal is not given. Question is saying the simple interest earned on a certain sum in 5 years. It is also similar to question number 15. Time is given 5 years and the simple interest is 30% of the sum. We will assume the principal. Let principal be 100. The simple interest is equal to 30% of 100. We will calculate it. 30 by 100 into 100. 100 cancel. It means the value of simple interest we have got 30. The value of principal we have assumed 100. Time is given 5 years. The question will ask us find the rate. The question is asking what is the rate. So we will use the same formula. SI is equal to P into R into T by 100. In place of SI we will put 30. In place of principal we will put 100. Rate we don't know. Time we know, that is 5 years divided by 100. 100 cancel. This 5 when it will come this side, it will be 30 by 5 is equal to rate. 5 6 are 30. Therefore rate is equal to 6%. This will be your answer. Hope that this question is also clear. It was the similar question, and by this your chapter number 10 live class as well as video I have given you everything. Now next we have started in live class, that is chapter mensuration, which is chapter number 20, and live class which I have given today, and video you will get today only or tomorrow you will get the video. Okay student, until then bye bye. We'll meet in the next video.